Welcome! The Eldorado SEISS have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Once the e-signature package is created, the signers will receive an email and text message within 15 minutes. The text message will include the password needed to open the documents. To begin, click Review Documents. Input the password that was used in creating the e-signature package. If the e-signature package was created in both English and Spanish, the signer will need to choose a language in which to view the documents. Click View Document. Read through the document and select a consent or participation option. This encompasses all forms within the electronic signature package. Finally, sign the document and click Submit Signature. Once signed, the recipient is able to download a PDF of the e-signature package. After all recipients have signed, the recipients will receive an email with a link to download the signed copy of the document, which includes the electronic signature cover page. Once all signatures are obtained, the case manager will receive a message in the SEISS Message Center, and the status of the e-signature package will say Ready. If the meeting was unaffirmed, the case manager will now affirm it. To affirm it with the e-signature, go to this page, locate the e-signature package, and click the paper icon. Affirm the future IEP. Once the IEP is affirmed, the signed PDF will automatically be attached. If the meeting was affirmed, the case manager will attach the signed document to the current IEP or amendment. To attach it, go to the electronic signature screen and click the paper icon. Click View eSign Document, download the signature, and add it as an attachment. If changes need to be made, enter a void reason and click Void.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SEISS, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.